Allied Sinterings Incorporated has won an award of distinction in the Automotive-Transmission category for conventional PM components. This award-winning component is a Sear pin assembly. The part is used in a shift-by-wire automotive transmission actuator that causes an output shaft to rotate the Sear pin, allowing a pawl to engage a default to park during a catastrophic transmission failure. The Sear pin assembly consists of two discrete components, the pin and the flag. The pin is made using FC0208 copper steel and is pressed to a green density of 6.8 grams per cubic centimeter. The flag is made using FN0208 nickel steel and is pressed to a green density of 6.9 grams per cubic centimeter. The copper steel pin grows during sintering while the nickel steel flag shrinks. A push-out force minimum of 445 newtons can be maintained easily. A key challenge is the length of the pin, requiring a long powder fill in a thin section during compaction. The part is sintered at 1150 degrees Celsius and consequently heat-treated via oil quenching and tempering prior to oil impregnation. The pin and flag have a micro-indentation hardness equivalent to 60 HRC and 57 HRC respectively.